I'm going to snap my fingers and we're going to show you the after. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at that, guys. These things are plush. They feel great when you sit on them. Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we're going to be showing you how to get the most affordable seat covers for your car. Before I go any further, there's going to be links in the description below for Amazon, eBay, and Chmelaeon.com. And be sure to check us out too, guys, because we have every auto part and accessory known to man. Everything from seat covers all the way to fuel line removal tools and a ton of stuff. Check us out today. Now, with that said, seat covers are going to do a few things for you. They're going to change the interior of your vehicle in minutes. They're going to provide protection against spilling, stain, fading, and dirt. And they cover up torn seats. And as you can see in my Ford Econoline, these seats are pretty good, but it's got this annoying tear right here. And I want to keep these seats pretty clean and safe for the life of the vehicle, which is where these come in. And it makes it look a lot cooler. But let's open up this package. You're going to find that different seat covers are for different seats. These are for non-detachable headrests, which are these guys right here, as you can see. And also, so when you do choose your vehicle seat covers, make sure that you're buying them for the correct seat. And you will find that in the links below that there are a lot of great tools to make sure that the parts actually fit your car. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to show you what these things look like. They're very... Also, that's one more thing that's not mentioned on the packaging, but it also makes your seats a lot softer. Better for anti-fatigue, because they got a little bit of cloth or gel in them sometimes. But the ones we have on Chmelaeon.com are pretty awesome. I got these on Amazon, but we have some really luxury ones that are made out of like leather, and they have pillows with them and a ton of other stuff. But here is, oh, check this out. This one even comes with a warranty. Protect your product, get VIP access to benefits, guarantee for 100% satisfaction. FHG Group Auto. These are also Amazon choice, which I'll have a link to in the description below if you haven't got yours already. All right, I'm going to put these things on and show you the before and after. Here's the before. I'm going to snap my fingers and we're going to show you the after. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at that, guys. These things are plush. They feel great when you sit on them, and they even have straps to tighten them down. These are very form-fitting, as you can see. But enough said. Link in the description below, Amazon.com, Chmelaeon.com. Every seat cover known to man and auto accessory. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out. Peace.